This is our tutorial on Windows. Since you asked me what a window is, I will show you. Let's start at the center of the screen where you see my cursor, and let's come down to the dock. Let me click on a program. This is a window. It is the window through which we see the program Finder, which will show you all of your system files. Let's click on iTunes. This now is the window through which we see the iTunes program or application. This is the window through which we see Google Chrome, which is an internet browser. So I have 3 different windows up, and that can start to be cluttered if you're using a lot of programs at the same time. One way to reduce the clutter on your desktop, which that you see, they call it your desktop. Right now I have 3 windows on the desktop, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to minimize those. And what it will do is it will put the window down, clicking on the yellow circle, so that the window has now gone down to the dock on the right hand side here. And I'll come up to my iTunes window and click on that to activate it, and then I can minimize my iTunes window and get it off of my desktop. So I'll click the yellow button. iTunes is now minimized to the right side of the dock along with Google Chrome. And my last window, I'll click on it to activate it, and then click the yellow button to get it off of the desktop. And now it's gone down to the right hand side of the dock. Pay attention to one thing. Up here is the status bar, and it still lists Finder as being active even though I have minimized Finder. So let me click on Chrome and show you another example. I have Chrome, I'm going to minimize it, and look, Chrome is still up on the status bar. So I can still affect this program. For example, if I click New Window, it gives me another window for Chrome. Even though the program is minimized, it's still active, as you see in the status bar. One way to get rid of a window, let me bring it back up. So I come down to the right of the dock, click on that icon, and here I have my window again, and it's active. These are the colors of the traffic light. So you can just click the red and it will go away. Let me bring this last Chrome window up and click on it, and look, it goes away. Well, I've closed both of the windows through which I will interact with the program. But in my status bar, I see that the program itself is not closed yet. To really close the program, you have to click on the name of the program in your status bar and come and click Quit. In this case, it's Quit Google Chrome. So there, it's gone to the default of Finder. Let me go ahead and get iTunes back. So here my iTunes window is, and I don't have to click the red circle. I can go to the status bar and click on iTunes and go down and click Quit iTunes. And Finder, you never really quit Finder, but here we go. X out of Finder, and you see quitting Finder is not an option because that is your file manager, and you don't quit your files. That's basically like turning off your computer. If you want to turn off your computer, you can click on your little Apple icon right here, and you have the options of force quit, sleep, restart, and shut down, which you should be familiar with how these functions work based on your experience with your Windows machine. So that is a little bit about Windows and what happens when you minimize them and when you bring them up, how to close them, and paying special attention to the status bar and what applications are open.